G'day, just a quick follow-up on some of the parts I needed for the RO system. The wife had the day off work today, so I got to go out of the house and went to Bunnings and found a few spare parts. Firstly, the hose you can get, $9 for 3 meters. I also got a brass piece, $9, a bit much, but to replace the plastic one there, and to replace the water out, I managed to get a 20 mil threaded cap, which was $5. All those should make this a lot easier for me, and I'll get it together and we'll have a look. And the end cap that I'm going to put on there doesn't come with a seal, so I'm going to try with some thread tape. I don't know about now, but years ago, this pink plumber's tape was one of the best you can get. It's nice and thick, and you don't need to go around many times. Even though I think I've just gone the wrong way. It doesn't matter. There we go, I got it on. That's a lot more compact. I don't have to worry about the other hose. I got a nice brass fitting on there, and the brass fitting for my water hose will fit on that nicely. There we go. It's all working fine. Looks like another brew day. And Keith commented on the last video saying to use hose link fittings, which are really great fittings. They will never come apart. There's a few other styles too. They're a little bit more expensive, but once you've paid for them, you've got a good setup of hose fittings. There's also a couple of other people that gave hints and tips. Have a look through the comments on the last video, you might find something interesting. I just wanted to mention this. If you don't have 20 mil threaded water outlets that you can use, Bunnings have these. These look like they were smaller. I didn't measure it. I'd be guessing it's about the 15 mil of the normal water pipe connections. Then you can use this. This comes with the tap, and your white hose, 1/4 inch hose, will just click into it, and you could use this instead. So that worked perfectly. Happy with that. What was that? $8 and $5, 13 bucks, and I'm all set up. I can go. I don't have to worry about leaks or anything. People have asked what I think the different water tastes like. This is the first time I've used one. I have got a Pilsner in there already. I used the water I filtered in the last video, but it's only, I brewed that last Friday, and so it's only been in the fermenter about 5 days, and it's a Pilsner with lager yeast, so it's going to take a few weeks. But I've played around with water for many years now, and it can make a real difference. Your salt levels and all that sort of thing. And when I want to brew something like a European lager, go and check out the salt levels. I'll put them on the screen of the water, and it's nearly nil. So when you're trying to match those water profiles, that's what I'm going to use. It's not essential. You can still brew a great Pilsner, a great lager without it. But when you're trying to match these beers, I think it'll really help. And I'm looking forward to trying it. All right, that's a short video. Cheers.